So what's your full name?
My name? Jack Evans.
And what's your major and your year here?
Undecided, but it's my second year here.
Okay, cool. And can we get a smile for the camera?
Say that again?
Can we get a smile for the camera?
Yes, sure.
Why is it like this?
And do you give Moorpark College and Student Health 101 permission to use this video?
Can the sun come back?
Cool. So how did you start smoking?
It started when I was partying with friends, and I would just borrow them from friends. And so it escalated from there to me like buying my own packs.
And how did that feel like when you first started smoking?
4 years ago? No.
And have you ever tried quitting or anything like that?
Yeah, I didn't have one for 6 months.
How long did it last semester?
Nice. And what was that like? Like, was there a process or conscientious like decision you made,
Yeah, it
or
was
how
just a
did that
decision
happen?
not to go buy it because I was like at a bad point in my life
I
with
found
like
out that I was
substance
short
abuse
one
and stuff, so I
class, so I
just stopped everything.
So I did one
got
class
my head
this
back
semester
in
to get my
order,
associates,
and then I
and
started
I'm
going
like,
to this
fuck it, if I have to come to 4 class, how many do I need to get double major? Four more of that? Yeah, fuck it, we're doing 5 classes.
Okay. And
Double major.
is there anything you would tell students who are thinking of starting smoking, or students who are trying to stop? Like any tips like that?
If you're gonna quit, just make a conscious effort to not buy any packs at all. It has to be a personal commitment.
Which then sucks because I have 4 classes one day and one the other day because of how every class fell.
And anything you want to tell? Yeah.
One class I literally only had one
Don't smoke a
time,
lot.
so I can't do
Like try
that.
to keep it under a pack a day.
At 10 a.m.
Awesome. Thank you for your time.
The shittiest time to find a party.